Welcome back, everybody, and it's time for 3 Stock Lunch. We've got some big movers on the menu today, and we'll start with Regeneron, whose shares fell 9% Tuesday after the FDA declined to approve a higher dose version of their blockbuster eye disease treatment. Shares off of another 2% or so today. Let's trade this name and a few more with Lee Munson. He's president and CIO of Portfolio Wealth Advisors. Lee, very busy time in biotech and pharma these days. Where does Regeneron fit in?
So they have 86% of their revenues that they get from products come from this one drug. Basically, it's sort of like a getting old drug. It's macular degeneration that's age-related. You know, a lot of us are going to go through this. The problem is that they were the first on the block. And the issue is that you need to get your eyeball stuck with a needle 6 times a year for the treatment. But then Rouche, on the other hand, has a product that's cheaper. It's a slightly more per unit, but you only have to do it 3 times a year. So we call it's less burdensome for treatment, right? And so the issue was Regeneron says, no problem. We're going to do a higher dose. There's no issues. And then we'll be down to like 3 a year and we'll be able to compete head to head with Rouche. Problem is the FDA said, nope, we need another 6 months at least to check out your third party manufacturing. And remember, a few months ago, we had issues with, eye drops and all that stuff. So the bottom line is, I don't think Regeneron is going to make it here because Roche is going to have 6 months to eat their lunch. And if that happens, then those sales can fall. And again, with Regeneron, that's the only real product that they have. Whereas Roche, it's 4%. It could double, triple, quadruple. So I'm not saying go out and buy Roche, but I'm definitely saying Regeneron needs to be a pass.
Well, let's see what you think about this. Pinterest shares rising 6% on the heels of an upgrade from Wells Fargo. The firm saying its Amazon partnership is going to be a strong catalyst for the stock. Will it really? Because that was what was supposed to happen for a firm, and it didn't last.
I know. Put it this way. They've got a new CEO. Seems like a nice guy. He's going in there with a hatchet. He's cutting costs. He's dealing with the issues. But I see this as more of a speculative catch-up play. And I think that's where you're seeing a lot of momentum. It's up half as much as the NASDAQ is this year. So I think if you're just looking for a little summer fun, maybe 5, 10, 15% pop on some good feelings with the hope that Amazon is going to bring them sales, because people on Pinterest want to buy stuff. I think the problem is when you go through the actual numbers, you're also going to have to put in ad sales, which is not something that we necessarily have a grasp on. So I think if you're looking for a summer trade, again, anything that's social media tech has not gone up as much as the NASDAQ, traders are going to look for that and they're going to see what the mind wants to see. So I think short term, ticket for a flyer. But honestly, I wouldn't want to wait around until Christmas season to see if those sales really come in or not.
All right. What about a quick buy-seller hold on Generac? It's having a monster month, but they are still down significantly from the 415 highs in late 2021, Lee.
Very quick, I would say that with Regeneron, they already control generators. It's already been priced in over the last week. So I think the real problem that people don't know, 2019, they bought Pika, battery storage, lots of lawsuits, big black eye. I think the move's already happened. Let's wait another 3 to 6 months and see if they can't get past the lawsuits with the Pika acquisition. Those inverters, pointing fingers, big issue for what we consider, the Coleman of camping. That's Regeneron.
Yeah.
I mean, that's this company for generators. So it's a great company, but they have some problems with battery storage where their real growth is longer term.
Munson not in the buying mood today. Not slurping down these drinks. Lee Munson, thanks for joining us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.